Thanks for all the love on the last unboxing video of Rhaenyra's fabric. A lot of you have asked either on TikTok or on Instagram or other places where I got the fabric and posting the store. So I'm going to show you where I got it. I got it off of Etsy. Ba-ba-boom. Here is the fabric. Do-do-do. It is from a store called Vinci Store. It is out of China, but this is the fabric that I got. Boop, boop, boop. Beautiful, beautiful. It did come to this much a meter, around that. But it is 10% off right now if you guys are interested. But this is the store that I purchased it from, Vinci Store. I really do like their fabrics. The quality of it was very, very, very nice. And I think I'm going to be shopping here quite often for some Game of Thrones inspired fabrics. I mean, a lot of it is very designer level of, I don't know, weight, look, texture, style, color, everything. Highly recommend this store. Vinci Store on Etsy. The shipping was fairly quick on it. It took about 2 weeks, I think, which is pretty good in my opinion from stuff to the US from China when it comes to things like this. I'm still waiting on charms from India that have not gotten here yet, and beads from France. Boy, this is a project that is just rather worldly. I mean, it's House of the Dragon, Game of Thrones. Whenever costume designers in the team create stuff, they pull ideas and materials from all over the place. But pretty neat. However, that is where I got the fabric. And if you choose to make Rhaenyra from this fabric, I'd be honored. Tag me, I want to see your process.